Hi guys, welcome back to the home bartending by Patch Marvin. Summer is here, so yes, we all need the cocktail that is gonna make us feel refreshing during the day. And yes, always, as I promised that I will find the cocktail that is gonna make it easy for you to make it at home. And today it's super easy. What we're gonna make today is called Gimlet. What you need is just only what you need is just only 3 ingredients. Okay, what you can see here is, yes, of course, that is gin and lime juice and the simple syrups. Okay, and it's a shake cocktail, so we need shaker, we need ice, and for the garnish it's gonna be lime wheel. That's it. You can get your drink done less than 2 minutes. Ready? Okay guys, just before we started, I just want to give you the quick information about this drink, Gimlet. It's so interesting. Okay, it's been created in 1819 something before with from the navy. His name called Sir Thomas Gimlette. Of course, that's why we use his name to honor the drink. In that time on the boat, he mixed gin with the lime juice and the sweetness, and then he let all the sailors drink it to prevent them and to prevent and also to fight from the disease called scurvy. Scurvy is something that is your body lack of the vitamin C in the body, so it has been help them all along the journey on the boat. So what we're gonna make today is kind of like healthy, like full of the vitamin C. So ready? We're gonna make a healthy drink called Gimlet. This look good. And then you garnish with the lime wheel. Okay, let's try. It's good again. I love my cocktail. Anyway, so this is, as I said, it's full of vitamin C, so we make the healthy drink today and easy, less than 2 minutes. Hope you enjoy your summer, and we keep in touch on the Instagram and the Facebook page. I will put another information and recommend you the spirit, the liquor that I've been drinking in there. For the video, it's gonna be every Thursday that I make the new clip. Okay, here for the summer. Bye.